Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set auto buy and sell order on Binance. So before getting started, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While uploading any video, you should be the first person to get the notification. So before jumping to the video, let me say something that this video is for educational purposes only, and also I'm not a financial advisor. So why we are citing or why Binance set this feature to their application or on their web version. For example, you are setting the auto buy and sell order, like whenever, for example, you can say that whenever the Bitcoin price reached to 50,000, so the Binance should sell automatically for you. And the next one is whenever the Bitcoin price dump to the 45,000, automatically they should buy for yourself. So this is the method that you can set auto buy and sell order. For example, when you are busy and you are at work or you are asleep, then you can set this order on the Binance. Now I will open my Binance application on my mobile device. Now I'm on my mobile screen. Here there is the Binance. I will open that. Once the Binance opened, here you can see at the bottom home markets trade futures, and there is wallets. Wallet is the place where you can check out overview of your coins that you are available in your wallet. So I will click on the wallet. Here you can see I have the coins that are available in my wallet. So I will click on the ADA. You can trade the ADA with AUD and BNB, BTC, Ethereum, and other USDC and USDT. So right now I will open ADA with USDT. Here you can see there is the ADA open in the chart, like there is buy and sell option. You can check here. So there is the limit, market, stop limit, and OCO. So we need the limit. For example, I will type the price of ADA. For example, I will type 2 USDT. I will set the order like buy ADA. Total of USDT, you can see that here I don't have the USDT. For example, I will type 10 USDT or 100 USDT and click on buy ADA. Here you can see unable to place order due to insufficient balance, transfer receipts from other wallets to deposit funds, place an order. So I will click on the sell option. For example, here I will set the price of ADA up to 3 USDT, and here you can see that I will here you can mention the percent of the ADA that you want to sell. You can sell up to 50%, 75%, or 100%. So there you can see that I will set it for 50%. Whenever the ADA price reached up to 3 USDT, so it will automatically sell up to 50% of my ADA coin. Here click on sell ADA. Here you can see ADA USDT. The price is set, so now you can see limit sell. So here is the price. Whenever the price of ADA reaches up to $3, so it will automatically sell my 50% of ADA coin. With the same process, you can set the buy option. For example, here you can sell you can set the price to do $2, $1, or 2.20 or 2.30 for yourself whenever you want to buy any coin. So this is the example that I showed you in the ADA chart. So here this is the best feature that the Binance set for the users to use that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section. At last, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.